Hello everyone, I am Aytekin Tank, founder and CEO of Jotform. I started Jotform 15 years ago, and today Jotform is used by 10 million users. So today I want to talk about why you should use Jotform. The first reason why you should use Jotform is because it's free. There's no risk with using Jotform because you can just start out without any payment and you can just create your forms, use your forms. And the only time when you will need to upgrade to a paid plan is when you have a lot of usage. So it's risk-free and we have competitive prices on our paid plans. The second reason is it's simple. Jotform has an online drag and drop form builder where you can quickly create your forms. And Jotform has 10,000 plus form templates. These form templates allows you to create forms in any kind of form you want quickly and easily. And the third reason why you should use Jotform is because it's secure. Jotform has SSL encryption. Jotform has compliances with GDPR, PCI, and HIPAA. And Jotform has a feature called encrypted forms. When someone is filling an encrypted form, it's getting encrypted, the data is getting encrypted while they are filling the form. And the only decryption key is with you. So it's very secure. And with Jotform, you can create password-protected forms, and you can send those forms to people who you want them to fill out your forms. The fourth reason is Jotform is robust. And Jotform is being used by all kinds of industries. This includes education, nonprofit, and healthcare. Jotform is used from small businesses to large corporations. The fifth reason is Jotform has a suite of features that allow you to actually use your data in a way you want. And for example, one of them is called Jotform Tables, where you can actually open your submission data in a spreadsheet and you can edit your data, you can merge your data from forms, different forms, and do all kinds of things with your data. And Jotform has a report builder where you can create charts and visuals from the data you receive from your forms. And Jotform has approval flows where you can actually take your form submissions and send it to other people like automatically and get their approvals. So you can actually use it within your organization to build your processes for your business, to allow your business to function better. Jotform has some document generation features. Jotform's PDF editor allows you to customize your forms, your form submission data, and put them in a PDF file as you wish. And the sixth reason is Jotform has a great mobile app. One of the most popular features of the mobile app is its offline features. So on Jotform mobile app, you can actually complete your forms while being offline. So while you are traveling, you can both fill your forms and you can also access your data because Jotform mobile app stores a copy of your data offline. And Jotform mobile app is used by many field people, such as salespeople, everywhere. And the seventh reason why you should use Jotform is because it has great payment features. So you can integrate payment integrations with your forms. For example, Jotform integrates with Square, Stripe, PayPal, and Jotform has integrations with 30 other payment processors. And what you can do with these forms, you can actually sell products. You can take donations, you can set subscriptions, you can have like custom amount forms where the user can enter the amount they want to pay. And the eighth reason is integrations. Jotform has native integrations with over 100 different products. This is in addition to our Zapier integration. So for example, when you need to pass your data to other like spreadsheet products like Google Sheets, Excel, or Airtable, you can use our integration features. And the final reason why you should use Jotform is because it's good for the environment. It's paperless. And so far, we have calculated that Jotform has saved 50,000 trees. This actually equals to 2 Central Parks. So go ahead and sign up today and start enjoying Jotform's features. Thank you.